Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's see how to make this very special egg fry. What makes it very special? Please watch till the end to see it. As always, if you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and also click the bell icon. In a heated pan, add some oil. Now add some onions. Here I had taken one big one. To this add 3 by 4 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic. It has to be very finely chopped. Then add in green chilies as per your taste. Saute this until there are no raw smells. Here we don't need to brown the onions, but it has to be soft and dull. Add some salt as required. This will also help to speed up the process. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. So it has to look like this. To this I have added half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now saute everything together until there are no raw smells. Meanwhile, I had boiled some eggs and cut into halves and separating the yolks from the white. Now add the yolks to the onion mixture and mix everything together until there are no lumps. You can break the yolks using your ladle and mix everything together. This is our filling for the boiled egg whites. Using a spoon, fill the yolk space with this mixture. You should definitely try this recipe because the taste of it is entirely different from the normal egg fries. I have learned this recipe from one of my friends and it's amazing. Now we need a coating to fry these eggs. So I have taken here 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You can adjust the quantity as per your requirement. And for the crispiness, I am adding half cup of rice powder. To add color to this batter, I am adding half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and add salt as required. Before adding water, mix everything together. Now add water as required. You don't need a loose batter. It should be a semi-thick batter so that the coating remains on the egg when frying. The batter should look like this. Now dip the filled eggs in the batter until it's well coated. You can either use your hands to do this, or even you can use a spoon to coat the batter to the eggs. Now fry the eggs on a medium flame, flipping sides until it changes to a golden color. Though the preparation of this is very simple, the taste of it is entirely unique, so you need to definitely try this recipe. Our very special egg bhaji is now ready to be served. Similarly, you can fry all the other eggs. You need to definitely try this recipe. The taste of it is entirely different from the normal bhajis or the egg fries. You can enjoy it with your favorite sauces. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to the space for more interesting updates.